Today we're driving the all-new, freshly redesigned Tesla Model 3 Highland. And I can't wait to show you how it drives, but first, let's take a look at the exterior. In the front, you have a freshly redesigned fascia with new headlights, and they got rid of the fog lights. You have the same classic Model 3 design with a freshly redesigned rear end. Love those new headlights. In this interior, you have two latch points, which makes the Tesla Model 3 a little bit quieter as you're driving it. You have suede on the doors, two charge points, and these all new leatherette seats that are perforated, as well as heated and cooled. On the top, you have Tesla's classic all-glass roof. On the dash, we have cloth along with the LED lighting that wraps all around us. Now, this isn't actually called the Tesla Model 3 Highland. The Highland term is just a made-up term that people just started calling the Tesla Model 3, and is not actually a term from Tesla, which I thought was quite interesting. Let's see how well it does over these bumps. Very soft suspension. Now, driving this Tesla Model 3 for the day, I actually can't complain about very little. I can't complain about very much of anything. I believe Tesla really hit it out of the park with the Model 3. The blinkers are no longer on a stock. You have haptic feedback on the steering wheel. This gets up to speed very smoothly. Now allow me to close my mouth and let you enjoy all of the Tesla Model 3 has to offer. We are on quite rough city streets. The Tesla Model 3 suspension is very composed and makes the driving experience a lot better. Turning radius is very good. Let's try to merge into traffic with autopilot. See how it does. Does very well.